Environment and health. Natural resources are gift to human life. Good conditions of air, water, soil and biodiversity enhances our health and well-being. When these resources degrade, it ultimately results into ill health, morbidity and shortening of lifespan. World Health Organization has defined health as a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being, not merely absence of disease or infirmity. Unhealthy environment increases mental stress, anxieties, chances of cancer and other diseases. It also increases the disabilities of body organs. It increases strain on physical capabilities and affects reproductive capacities also. Industrialization and overconsumerism are main causes of natural resources pollution. The destruction of natural habitat by pollution affects agriculture, animal husbandry, aquatic flora and fauna. Increasing malnutrition, poverty etc. changes environmental conditions resulting in outbreak of different diseases. It studies the relation of human beings with the environment. It believes that humans are part of the environment along with other living creatures. It is important to understand that the health of humans is closely linked to ecosystem health. All the creatures of nature have equal right to live and cherish it for whole span of life. Humans must realize and admit that they cannot live on Earth alone. We must think about right to biodiversity, right to protect culture of the creature. This will help to sustain the environment. Every human being should have feelings and respect for different aspects of his or her surroundings. The values for the resources of nature should not be only utilitarian importance alone. The true environmental values go beyond valuing a river for its water, a forest for its timber and other resources, or the sea for its fish. Environmental values should have a feeling to bring about sensitivity for preserving nature as a whole. Most of our actions have adverse environmental impacts unless we consciously avoid them. Environmental values are linked to varied environmental concerns. While we value resources that we use as food, water and other products, there are also environmental services that we must appreciate. These include nature's mechanisms in cleaning up air by removal of carbon dioxide and addition of oxygen by plant life, recycling water through the water cycle of nature and maintaining climate regimes. Our environment has a major component that does not belong to any one individual. There are several commonly owned resources that all of us use as a community. The tiger's magnificence, the whale and elephant's giant size, the graceful flight of a flock of cranes, are all parts of nature that we admire. The lush evergreen forest, the great power of the ocean's waves, and the tranquility of the Himalayan mountains are things that each of us value even if we do not experience it ourselves. The rivers, lakes are common property resources and they need to be protected and conserved for the society.